Last month I had the lovely Neela who came along to be my model for this Mother's Day look. This video was recorded before the outbreak in the UK and also before social distancing was a recommendation to all of us, and I thought it might help you if you want to do your makeup today or any other day, or if you want to do something for your mum. So let's get started. As a base and as a barrier against the makeup, I'm going to be using SHISEIDO's Essential Energy Moisturising Cream and just place that all across Neela's face to help secure the makeup. I've got the Ordinary foundation here. This is with a red undertone and it's in medium in 3.0R, and I'm just going to put that all across the face and then do concealer. I'm going to go from the inside of the face all the way towards the outside. How's this feeling on your skin?
Feels good.
Good.
Smooth.
For concealer, I'm going to go in with Max Factor's Face Infinity Concealer, and this is in shade 0.70, and I'm just going to put that. I'm going to take this small concealing brush that I've got. It's a lovely one from My Kit Co for the bristles, so I've just kind of put some on the brush and then I'm just taking it around kind of the concealer sort of upper eye area just to soften and blend that all through. So that's the concealer done now. I'm using a darkened concealer in 80 for the contouring. So I just want to amplify the cheekbones here slightly and just blend that outwards and upwards. So this is powder done, and the one that I've used is by Revolution. It's their baking powder and this is what it looks like. It's in their peach colour and I've just used that to sweep across the face. So this is the palette that I'm going to be using today. It's one of Bobbi Brown's latest collection and these are the colours that I'm going to be using. I think they really suit Neela's skin tone and what she's wearing today. So this is the colour that I'm going to add all across to the lid, and it's a kind of matte colour and it's going to add a lot of depth to all of the lid, and then I'm going to add in some softer colours to bring up the brightness in it. For the lids, I'm going to go in with a mix of these two colours here, and I'm just going to be adding that on to kind of the centre part of the lid just to really make that pop. For eyeliner, I'm going to go in with the Shiseido Eyeliner-Black pen, and this is a lovely thin liner, and I'm going to start from the middle and then just lift the lid and just start working towards the outer side of the eye. And then I just really want to show you this actual pen as well, because it is such a really innovative and pretty one, because look at the way it's shaped. It's got a kind of angle to it, so it's really easy when you kind of put it onto the eye and then you just start to sort of create the shape of your eyeliner. So for the other eye, just start from the middle and just start doing exactly the same thing.
Oh yeah, it just enhances the eyeshadow now, isn't it?
Eylure's brow pencil now. This is in dark brown. Neela has the most beautiful brows, and all of the family actually blessed with these lovely brows. But I am going to go in and start to sort of fill in some of the areas. around kind of the ends. And what I'm doing is I'm just drawing in kind of little strokes into the brow area. And then what I'm going to do after that is just continue towards the front and on the other brow as well, and then take the other side of the pencil and just brush it through. I'm going to go in with a black liner and I'm going to add this into the top part of the waterline area. I just want the eyes to look even more intensified and even more dramatic, so I'm going to do that in the top part. For mascara, I've got SHISEIDO's Black Ink Mascara, and I'm going to put that all across the lashes. I've already curled them.
So pretty.
Okay. I'm going to go in with the eyeliner and just add that onto the bottom part of the eyes. I think it would just really help to set this whole makeup off. So I've gone in back with the eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to add in on the ends a bit of the darkest kind of shadow just to kind of smoke that out just a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is take another palette, this Friday Feels by Nip and Fab, and take the darker colour, and just on the ends I'm also just going to intensify that just a little bit more, and then take another brush and just brush that through and just make it really smoky. For blusher, I'm going to go in with Nip and Fab and these two colours here. This palette is Girl Gang, and I'm just going to get Neela to smile and just brush that on. So I'm going to go in with GLAMGLOW's highlighter palette here, and the one I'm going to be using is this one, and it's called Sexy. And I'm just going to take that onto the top part of the cheekbone and just start to sort of like add that on here. So I just want to explain, this is your contour area, this is your blusher area, and then the top part is your highlight area. And the key to making sure everything just looks correct, I've got this lip liner, it's in Cappucino and it's by Rimmel London. It's a similar colour to the outline of Neela's lips, so I'm just going to add it on to make sure that her lipstick stays on, because I'm going to be putting a bright kind of red colour on. So I'm just going to start to line that all across her lips. So this is Max Factor's lipstick, and this is in Chili in 080. I'm going to start to put this all across Neela's lips. Really luxury style of lipstick, and I think it will really suit her finished look. So I'm staring my head off at you. It's really pretty. And then just to finish off, I'm going to be using this Fix Plus as a setting spray. And just let that dry. And that's the lovely Neela ready on this very special Mother's Day video. I hope you've enjoyed it all, and I just want to say thank you so much for coming.
You're welcome.
You can see behind the scenes footage on Instagram, Facebook, and also Twitter. Wherever you are, guys, take care, stay healthy and safe.